This rattan floor lamp is super pretty, but my favorite feature is probably that it has a smart light bulb in it, and it comes with the lamp, which is super nice. So it works with a remote so that you can change all sorts of things. You could change the brightness to have it be very dim for more mood lighting or brighter during the day, or you could even change the temperature of the light bulb so you can have it be really cool or super warm. It also works on a timer, so you could set it for 30 minutes or 60 minutes and it'll turn off automatically after that. And it even has a nighttime mode, which if you hit it, it just dims the light really quickly, so it's a quick one button dim. The remote requires 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, so just keep that in mind. The stand of the lamp is made of metal and it has a really pretty matte black finish. And then besides the remote, you can also switch it on and off with the foot switch. I love the rattan shade and the design and pattern. It's all very, very good quality. It was pretty easy to assemble, and of course it included instructions that walks you through how to do it, but you basically just screw in the different sections and then add the shade. I also like that it has a really heavy weighted base, so that kind of helps keep the lamp in place so it's not shifting around your floors. But the bottom is also lined with felt, so it'll make sure that it never scratches. It's pretty and well made, so I can recommend it.